Hi everyone, my name is Aditya Sinha and this is a project I've been working on for the past few days. This is a smart irrigation system. First of all, I'll explain you guys the functionalities, the working of these sensors, and then show you the real working. So this here is a water sensor that detects the amount of water in the soil or in general. This here is a LCD display which displays the data collected by this sensor. Then we have this DHT11 sensor which detects the amount of humidity and temperature around it. And then we have this Bluetooth module which you can connect it through your mobile or any digital device, and you'll get real-time humidity and temperature data from this sensor onto your mobile. And then we have this relay module that just simply controls this water pump. So there's a logic written in the code which says that if the water level is low, then start watering the plant. If not, if it is high, then stop watering the plant. So as you can see right now, as it is low, as I connect it to the battery, it starts working. So this is the real working of the project. So as you can see, the water level right now is very high, so therefore it's not watering the plants. I'll just wipe out some of the soil of the sensor, so eventually the water level will go down. So now it's 566. Now it should start watering the plant. So yeah, now as you can see, it starts watering the plant, and as soon as I put the sensor inside the soil again, it will stop watering because the water level goes really high. As you can see, it's 760 because there's so much water over there. So here's how you can connect your mobile to the Bluetooth module on the project and check the humidity and temperature data in the real time. And now as you can see, I have pressed the start button. So what that does is that it starts the LED on the breadboard. And this is done just to check if the Bluetooth module is working properly or not. And just thanks for watching the video.